Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting OneNote from the App Store and signing in. Use the same Microsoft account you already use. Once done, grant camera and file permissions so photos and PDFs import smoothly. Create a new notebook, name it clearly, and tap Sync now to force the first upload. Make sure to be on a stable Wi-Fi connection so initial syncing completes quickly. This prevents missing pages later and ensures your notes are backed up immediately. You now organize content. Add sections and pages that match real folders so you can find things fast. Use the Draw tool with Apple Pencil for handwriting and annotations. Switch pens, adjust thickness, and pinch to zoom for detail. Insert images, PDF, or audio recordings via the Insert menu to consolidate sources in one page. Tag important items, to do important, then use Search to pull up tagged notes instantly. This keeps everything searchable and usable when the project grows. Finish by sharing or exporting. Tap Share to invite collaborators and set edit or read-only permissions. Export a page to PDF for distribution. Make sure notebooks you need offline are marked available offline so travel won't interrupt access. If you want a permanent archive, export important notebooks to PDF or OneNote package. If something goes wrong, sync errors, or missing pages, force sync, then sign out and sign back in. Check iPad storage and network, because most issues come from connectivity or full disk space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.